Guys, welcome back to Jenna's Artistry. Today I'm just doing a little mini braiding session, so if you'd like to see how I created these braids, please keep watching. So we are going to be using some Shine and Jam, some Expressions hair in 1B, and this client just wanted some simple Fulani braids. So I always start by parting the whole head. It just makes it a bit easier for me to part everything, and then we can get straight into the braids and just kind of blitz it. I find it's just a little bit easier. It's a lot cleaner. You know, you can really make sure that you get the partings nice and straight. Use that Shine and Jam, really like make sure you get some clean parts, and I always use the rubber band method just because the bands don't really pull on the hair. When they break, it doesn't pull on your hair at all, and it also just makes it a lot cleaner. So when I take the Expressions hair, I do get the ultra braid and then I stretch it myself. It's basically just pulling the strands and then you brush it out and you get a nice sleek set of braiding hair ready to go. And then I take a small part, I split it into two and kind of link it together, and then I start braiding as you just saw. For the top, obviously it was cane rows, so I just kind of freestyled it. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do, but I was hoping that it was going to be cute. So you start cane rowing and then you slowly add in larger and larger pieces of hair until you get a nice cane row feed-in braid, which is what we are doing right now. I've just kind of put it in like fast forward just so that it's not too slow for y'all. As you see, you just part the hair as you go. This is the only part of the hair where I part as I go. Just because, as I said, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do. So I didn't want to trap myself by parting it a certain way and then changing my mind. But yeah, I just did a little bit of geometry, a little bit of triangle partings in there. I thought I'd, try to be cute and whatever. But yes, this is the finished look. It's just nice and sleek. This should last for up to a month. I wouldn't recommend keeping it in too long, but a month is definitely good, and you could be rocking this style. It's nice and easy. You can put it up, whatever. I hope you guys liked this little tutorial of mine. If you did, please like and subscribe to stay tuned with all the latest content that I have going on, and I'll see you next time.